You can't wait to hear this. In this video you will learn how to create and mint your NFTs for free without paying a dime. I guess that sounds good. Before we continue, kindly subscribe, like, and share the video. How to create NFTs without gas fees. Minting NFTs for free. Minting NFTs without being charged gas fees sounds too good to be true, but in this case, the good news is it's possible. Here's how you can create NFTs without gas fees, without being scammed in the fine print. Gas fees are a headache for NFT veterans and first-time minters alike, cutting into profits so radically that some artists have even sold their work at a loss due to hidden fees. We dive into what they are, why they exist, and how you can create NFTs without gas fees. Gas fees. What they are and why they exist. Minting your NFT takes computing power, as it involves initiating a transaction that enters, validates, and stores your NFT deed on a public blockchain. Gas fees cover the cost of this transaction. You can think of it like what the bank charges you every time you swipe your credit card. This fee is paid to miners, people who have agreed to contribute their computer's processing power towards executing blockchain transactions in exchange for cryptocurrency. Gas prices are linked to the basic economic concept of supply and demand. How much you're charged fluctuates and depends on the amount of traffic on the network. The more people tap into the network wanting to transact at the same time you do, the more valuable computing power becomes. The size of the task. The more complex your task, the more computing power it takes to solve the cryptographic algorithms associated with the transaction. How fast you want your transaction to be completed. The faster your work is done, the higher the gas prices. You'll be tapping into more of the network and demanding priority. The type of blockchain you're transacting on. Proof-of-work blockchains, like Ethereum, are more expensive than proof-of-stake blockchains. Let's now talk about how to create NFTs without gas fee. But before then, remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. How to create NFTs without gas fees. Both NFT artists and their collectors usually pay gas fees, artists for minting their work, and collectors for placing their purchase order. As you can imagine, this isn't great for business. Ideally, artists want to create NFTs without gas fees to boost their profit margins, and want to encourage buyers by offering work for sale sans the transaction fee. Though there are many platforms offering fake free minting and hiding their gas fees in complicated sets of conditions and minuscule fine print. The good news is there's a genuine way minting platforms can help you create your NFT without gas fees. If they use a proof-of-stake blockchain, here are the top 3 things you need to know about them. How they validate transactions. We promise not to get too technical. So in a nutshell, servers in a blockchain are called nodes. They work together to validate all transactions. When they reach consensus, the transaction is authenticated. The way POS blockchains do this is far more efficient than the way POW blockchains do it. Instead of every single node validating the transaction, one is chosen at random. Why they work out cheaper than proof-of-work transactions. Authenticating transactions on a proof-of-stake blockchain needs less computing power, without compromising on the validity of the transaction, so you get the same level of security with a lower price tag. Their environmental impact. The carbon footprint of POS blockchains is so much smaller than their proof-of-work counterparts. They've been dubbed green coins because transactions on a proof-of-stake blockchain are more cost-efficient. NFT marketplaces that use them are able to pass on these savings to their users. See you in the next video. Bye.